The first of the three garden thugs you do not want to plant in your yard is trumpet vine. This monster will take over everything. I was going along on this swing set here and trimming it every day in a nice round shape, and you can see that almost overnight it sends out these long three things. It's hard to imagine just how fast this thing grows. I planted it out here about 3 foot from everything else, thinking that would be enough distance to keep it safe. And here's some flowers down there. They're supposed to be liked by hummingbirds, but I never saw hummingbirds on it. And I thought out here, you know, next to the driveway and 3 feet away from everything else, it would be safe. Wouldn't here is flower bed, which is on the other side of the sidewalk. You can see a little stem that just pops up, and left to its own devices, I'm sure that pretty soon it would be covered all over this flower bed and climbing up the house. So trumpet vine is one you do not want in your yard. Here is Vinca minor, and it is the same thing, maybe not quite as bad as trumpet vine, but if you went to the garden store and bought a bunch of annuals home and planted them, they wouldn't be able to grow in trumpet vine. At ground level, underneath this cover, it has like semi-woody stems that grow all over the place. So you can plant some things like hostas and maybe ferns or perennials in it, some perennials in it. But for the most part, once you put Vinca minor in your yard, you've got very little choice of what to grow there. The very last garden thug is snow on the mountain, goutweed or bishop's weed, and it's another one of those things that you could not plant annuals in if you bought them at the store. So once you have this, you can only grow things in it like hostas or other perennials. I actually put this lily over here in the corner in there just to see if it would grow, and it did just fine. It even blooms every year. So I may fill in this area with these tall lilies like this. And you can even see how it's growing out into the grass. Even though it gets mowed every week, it still grows out there in the grass. So this is early. There it is. The bleeding heart is blooming, and it does just fine. But I think it was there long before this bishop's weed was there. So anyway, this is 3 plants you do not want to plant in your flower bed. And I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, can you please subscribe and like this channel? I would appreciate it. It helps me out. So thank you very much, and goodbye.